What's up, my affiliates? CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about Maxbounty training, free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, Craigslist mastermind. Today I'm going to show you how to post in Craigslist, how to find relevant content, and how to prevent your ad from getting flagged. So you're going to need a tool to be able to do this. You're going to need a few tools. You're going to need CCleaner, which is a free software tool that you can download. I will give you the website for that. And you're also going to need Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. First things first, Craigslist recognizes your cookies. They detect when you post. So it's important before you post that you clear and clean all of your internet data before you post. This hides your information from Craigslist so it doesn't see your relevant posts that you've posted in Craigslist before. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to CClean and we're going to analyze. Now, when it analyzes, it's going to run all of our cookies, all of our caches, all of our data that we used on the internet and run it clean and clear all of it. So it's going to analyze all of this extra data, and then we're going to use run clean. This might take a few minutes. This is a very good way to keep Craigslist from tracking what you're doing by clearing your cookies and all of your data every time you post. Not just once and then post 5 or 6 times. Do it every time you post. All right, now after that's clean, we're gonna open up Internet Explorer. I like to open it up in Internet Explorer. If you've posted a lot on Google Chrome, switch it up on them a little bit so you don't seem so obvious. So we're gonna go to Craigslist. All right. Right now, I am testing and promoting a CPA offer called Rent a Home Listing. So therefore, I'm going to want to post an homes listing, apartments and housing. And so there's two things that we're going to do. We're going to find our ad content that's relevant, already working in Craigslist to help us keep from getting flagged because it's already a post that's working. It's already live. It's already active. We're just going to take it and kind of make it our own and switch it up. So I come by to one of these nearby cities, go to apartment and housing, has images. Now, it really doesn't matter. You just want to find a good, decent house. Don't make it too fancy. Don't make it anything too extreme. Just make it something like this one right here, $600 a month, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, south of Lake City in the country setting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to this. We're gonna come to this post. Nah, I don't like this one. We're gonna pick something else. I don't like that. That doesn't look like a very good home. Somebody's just willing to move in right away. So let's try this one. All right. So let's check out the pictures. Okay, pretty cool bathroom. Looks like they've remodeled a little bit. So let's read what it says. Beautiful brick, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom duplex, only a few blocks from the VA in downtown Lake City. Okay, so all we're gonna do pretty much is we're gonna save all these images. All right, now after we save all these images, we're gonna come and open up a incognito window, a in private window, new private window. This is also gonna help mask your post. This is also gonna mask your post on Craigslist so they don't flag your post. So we're gonna come and we're gonna pick, let's say, let's find a more major city, a bigger major city like Phoenix. All right. And we'll put, no, let's not do Phoenix. Let's do Los Angeles. West Side, Los Angeles, 310. Well, we have to find one where we can find the zip code. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go to Phoenix, highlight Phoenix, copy, open up a new window, and this is how you're gonna find a major city zip code. So we find one that's heavily populated. Let's see. Let's just right here click on this site, and it's gonna give us. Okay, so we're going to use this zip code right here. And we're gonna come back to our post, to our incognito window, and we're going to post to classifieds. And we're going to put central house to offer apartments. So we're gonna put the zip code, and we're just gonna come right to our post, and we're going to make it our own. Switch it up just a little bit so it's the same post, stays relevant, just a little bit different. Might switch up the price, $6.95, and go back here, copy. Now, it is important when you're picking a post, make sure you read the content. You don't want your post to be posted in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's saying in the description it's in Virginia. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna read over this. A few brick homes from the VA in downtown Lake City area. So only a few downtown, from the downtown area. Stainless appliances, bathroom, air condition. We're not going to use the smokers. Water. Includes background check and credit report. We're going to change this to $6.95 month, and we're going to put deposit at 0 and move in $100. Please contact CJ at whatever your number is. Now, me personally, I like to use sim marketing as well. This will be something else that I'll be teaching, because you got to think about it like this. How long does it take a person to respond to an email or answer an email or even see their email in their inbox? Sometimes they don't even check it, right? But people nowadays keep their phone by their side 24/7, 365 days out of the year. So if you get a text message as to where you get an email, what are you going to answer? Your phone goes off, it's by your hip, it says text message. You're more likely to check it. Your text message is more likely to get opened. So I give them a number that I've purchased. It's a separate number that I bought, and I use to do online marketing. So, 3, 4. Thank you. And then I want to put rent $6.95. Bedrooms, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, duplex, washer and dryer hookup. And so after that, we're going to and put the email. Okay, so after we put our email in, we're going to take the same pictures that we uploaded and we're going to paste them here to display the house. So that one. That one. So the ones did it have the kitchen? I think it had one more. And we'll just use this one just to give them a little bit more picture of the house. Okay. So after we're done with that, we're gonna go done. Then you're gonna publish it. So after you publish it and verify your email, your post is active. So after you verify your email, your post is active, it's ready to go, and you can begin marketing to people and sending them to your CPA offer, which, like I said, I will show you in my place where I make my free landing pages. All right, now that we're in Entre Pages, like I said, this is one of my landing pages. I've had 75 visits and 31 confirmed people that have opted into my landing page. If we come right here, I will highlight it. And it takes you to my simple landing page, which is a CPA offer. And so I collect their email on the front end, and I have their email. I know where I've collected it from. And then also on the back end, I show them a CPA offer, which will put like some bull, just a random Gmail. And you collect that lead and you bring them to your thank you page. They click on the image to get started, and it brings them to my Maxbounty CPA offer rent to own listing. which is working pretty good for me. I've been testing it out using free traffic sources. I can't complain on it. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. This has been another Maxbounty training, free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer using Craigslist. Be sure to like this video if you found this content good and informative. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that bell button to catch the new videos. I'll be dropping videos every day. And drop a comment if you got any questions, if you want any more details, or you need help setting up a campaign. Drop a question, give me some insight or anything like that. This is CJ. I'm out.